A Very Happy Easter, written by Tim Thornborough, illustrated by Jennifer Davidson. This book is a bit different from others. In most books, there is work for your eyes and ears. You look at the pictures and listen to the words. But in this book, there is work for your face too. You will see the faces of lots of people who were there at the first Easter when Jesus died and rose again. Every time you see one, try to copy the face they are making and think about how they would have felt. Let's try it. Are you ready? Then turn the page to begin. Jesus came to the city of Jerusalem. A huge, excited crowd welcomed Jesus. They knew that he was God's promised king. But some people did not want Jesus to be in charge, so they sent soldiers to arrest him. They hated Jesus because he said he was the Son of God. They put King Jesus on a cross to die. Jesus' friends were very scared. Jesus died. His friends cried. They buried Jesus in a rock tomb and put a big, heavy stone over the door. Jesus' friends were so sad. On the third day, early in the morning, some women came to the tomb, but the stone was rolled away. Jesus was not there. They were so confused. Some angels appeared. They said, "He is not here. He is risen, just as he promised." The women were astonished. The women ran and told Jesus' friends what they had seen and what the angels had said. He is risen. But they didn't believe them. Suddenly, Jesus was right there with them. He spoke to them. He ate with them. He showed them his hands and feet. He really was alive again. Jesus' friends were startled, afraid, amazed, confused. "Don't be afraid," said Jesus. "It really is me. I died, and now I am alive again. Now you can be friends with God forever." Jesus' friends were happy, happier, the happiest they had ever been in their whole lives. The King Jesus sent his friends to tell everyone the good news. They happily spread the message all over the world. And now you have heard the message about how King Jesus died and rose again, so that we can be friends with God forever. What face will you make now?